Purvi, and I'm a VIP traveler expert. I'm here on site at the Four Seasons Jimbaran Resort in Bali, and I'm so excited to show you why this is one of the most beautiful and luxurious resorts in the world. The Four Seasons Resort at Jimbaran Bay is set amidst tropical gardens cascading down to the ocean, where you can relax in the ambiance of an authentic Balinese village. Here, you'll experience a world of unparalleled beauty, relaxation, and indulgence. Let me show you around. As you walk in, you begin to see how spacious the villa is. And not only that, but it's also so beautifully and elegantly designed. I love how the bed is so grand, and it's also very comfy as well. This is one of the best views and one of the best floating breakfasts that you can wake up to here in Bali. The Four Seasons main beachfront restaurant Sundara, meaning beautiful, is an icon of Jimbaran, and the food is quite spectacular. They have a really great lounge area right in the middle of the restaurant that sits outside, so you have a great evening views. And you also have some day beds right by the ocean with a pool view. So this restaurant has it all. Here we're starting off with one of the signature dishes, and as you can see, the presentation is on point. What a beautifully presented dessert, chocolate, gold plated, delicious. The Four Seasons Jimbaran is also the ultimate home base for exploring the island. Seminyak is next door, where you can experience vibrant nightlife, culinary experiences, and shopping. Or head to Coral and nearby Nusa Dua to experience Bali's first and only underwater aquarium restaurant with a range of culinary experiences that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Take your time to fully experience Bali, the mystical island of the gods,